And when it's time for you to get your blessings, to get your breakthrough, your glory flies away like a fish. I pray for you that every glory that is due to you will come to you. I pray for you that every blessing that is due to you will come to you. In this month of April, not next month. Amen. It says, no breath, no breath, no pregnancy, no conception. There's a problem with this. Because it's supposed to start with conception, then pregnancy, then birth. But the enemy reverses your cycle so that when you're supposed to be sowing, that season is closed. When God is supposed to water, that season is closed. When you're supposed to be reaping, that season is closed. And every time you're going in circles and wondering, why aren't things happening for me? Why? I serve an incredible God. I see things happening in other people's life, but there is nothing happening on my life. It's because of the calendar of Satan. He switches things and turns them around so they work against you. But Romans 8:28 says that, and we know that all things work together for the good